morning, everyone. Women life. Women life, many times we understand that it is very smooth functioning. It goes with a very healthy way and very prosperous as we generally suppose that. It not only provides us all the facilities as a man we require for, we look for, but we understand them as an time pass, as an enjoyment object, as a person. A man feel that we have to enjoy, and with that mental and emotional burden and with physical abuse we can get away, we can make our different ways while choosing someone else. Why I'm saying this, we need to understand that because in many cases what happened, you not only physically abuse a individual, a physical appearance, a physical psyche, but the mental state and emotional level of any of the individual, of any of the female candidate who is filled with emotions, you break that emotions. It is like that you are cutting her soul into pieces. Why I'm saying that, because emotionally you are breaking to that individual on the name of the love, on the name of the affection, on the name of the attachment that you promised for, and it has become a habit in you, especially in men. And now the trend has changed because men play so many games, and in the revenge of that many women also come forward, and in taking that revenge they are playing the same game with them actually. And those men are mentally not strong enough, emotionally weak. They female female use them and suck money, and many a time they vanish career of some individual actually, because they both are misusing and passing time, and they both have not real love, means they don't have their real love actually, their real intention to commit each other, and they are using each other as an toy, as an object of a time pass, and emotionally breaking to each other. But where you stop using each other, committing in reality, you need to understand that everything comes back. Whatever karmas you are doing with others, the behavior you intend to have towards other, it is going to long way for yourself actually. uh, Whatever gratitude you are paying towards other, you are going to get further in your life, but people don't understand actually. We need to understand that although the life of women not so much so good, sometimes men take undue advantage of that because of poverty, because of dire consequences. They live in, they take undue advantage, they harass physically, and after that they leave because they don't have any clear passage for them. They are using only for their physical desire, for their physical fulfillment, but they have made their mindset that they have to get married to a wealthy person who belong to their level, who belong to have that much, that prosperity and that much wealth that really matches not only to their personality but their level in the society, whatever they are having, whatever they are sustaining actually, that need to be considered actually. And all of a sudden what happened in that, there are people coming in the queues and they are in the continuation to use it actually. We can take example of Mona Lisa, a girl who keep on selling so many petty things, garland which is used for the worshipping of Lord, and after that she got name and fame because of her eyes, and after that she got invited in the south industry, and after that she got married with a Muslim candidate. So what happening in present scenario, among all the consequences only one thing is happening: women are being misused, women are being physically tortured, and after that how many marriages he is going to perform, no one knows actually. No one is having any idea, any mindset regarding that. Means how many marriages, how many rituals he is going to perform. Although he said that everything had happened through Hindu religion, Hindu culture, and through Hindu rituals. And after that, no one needed to change their religion. But as we know the facts and the figures, what is there in the Muslim religion actually, till the time you do not convert, you do not have conversion of your own religion, no one is going to accept you in the Muslim religion as a married couple, as a married candidate. Either one of them has to change their religion actually. But apart from this, one thing is most considerable. It is like that women harassment, which is in continuation, which is happening in the continuation. It is do not have any restriction, because as we keeps on watching things through the ages, the harassment of women, embarrassment that a woman is facing, it is in continuation, it is incessantly happening actually. There's no restriction, there's no bar, and nothing is happening which is making us more prosperous, more empowering towards our womanhood. That is not happening, because we suppose as an object, we are being supposed as an object to use physically, and that physical abuse is happening everywhere, whether the money is implanted, whether a person is converted into the one religion to another religion, and if she is beautiful, then also it is very difficult to make her sustain in her family, in the coaching institute, in the educational institution, wherever she is studying actually. And other than that, if she is working in an industry, then also it has become an uphill task for her how to manage it, how to save her Saki, how to save her womanhood, how to save herself actually, to not get into the trap and not getting physically abused. If she wanted to have a relationship with a one person, then it is also happening. People are forcefully bounding to the women to make relationship with so many people, and on the other hand, if sometime she got into the trap, her own boyfriend, her own husband make her compelled to make relationship with so many people. We can see example of several film industry actors who are bound and who were compelled actually to make relationship with so many people. So these physical abuses never gets its ending actually. Among that, we are being tortured, and after being tortured, the other dimension of this point is after getting pregnant, that women is being compelled to abort that child, not to deliver, because that child is not healthy for the social environment, for the social norm. So we need to understand first, if we talk about this society, if this society makes the norms, then why society itself does not follow its rules? Those are also social people who compelled us, who bound us to physically abuse us as a women, to destroy our dignity, to destroy our own self as an own individual, and abuse us physically, mentally, emotionally. And after that, we are being tortured. And after having so much pain, going through this all the process, we still sustaining, we are still alive, we are still putting forward our words, and after that there's no heed paying towards that. So women life is very difficult. Try to help them out throughout these difficulties, throughout these physical trauma, whatever we are going through actually. Because do not make a need, a necessity, a desire for having relationship with every of the individual actually. Because many times what happened, women are being compelled, because through laws also we have given liberty to have relationship with those people where we are having our wish. Our wish is very much very essential, it is require, our desire is, and our commitment, our yes towards that individual person is required. But when it is done forcefully, then it is crime. And after that also, there are so painful process that women have gone through, but no one is paying heed towards that pain. And among that, the lectures prevail everywhere. People are giving so many lectures, but the work is done very little. So we need to focus on that, that work need to be delivered in this direction. For that, we need to bring a reform, that every individual should reform himself. And after that reform, we can bring changes in the society actually. So we should focus on individual reform. By that, we can bring some changes in the social norms in the society as well. With that, I would like to wrap up my talks here. Thank you. Thanks a lot.